Hello and welcome. This is WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 18. Determine the ratio of nutrients in NPK 5, 10, 15. A 1 to 2 to 2, B 1 to 2 to 3, C 1 to 3 to 1, D 2 to 1 to 3. So we have NPK, which is a type of fertilizer consisting of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium combined as described here in the question. Now we're asked to determine the ratio of these nutrients. Now to determine the ratio, all you have to do is reduce them to the lowest term. So 5 is the smallest figure, then 10, then 15, and if you reduce to the lowest term, you have it in the ratio 1, that is 1, 2, 3. That is to say, for every 1 part of nitrogen you have 2 parts of phosphorus and 3 parts of potassium. So that is what you have depicted here. So in ratio form, that would be 1:2:3, and 1:2:3 is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.